How to custom keychains from Vograce. First, prepare your design. Second, visit the Vograce website. Log in, choose Custom Keychains, and select your craft, size, accessories, and quantity. Upload your design file. For multiple designs, use a compressed file. If the file is too large, add a Google Drive link in the order notes. Click Add to Cart to place your order. Third, after you place the order, we will manually process your file and generate a proof to ensure accurate printing. Your representative will email a proof shortly. Once confirmed, we'll begin production. Fourth, we will ship your order as soon as possible. We also offer a 60-day after-sales guarantee. After you receive the order, if there is any issue, you can contact your representative via email or DM on social media. Thank you for your trust and choosing Vograce.